In this video series, I am going to introduce you to a website building company called Weebly.com, as well as show you how to set up classes for your students, as well as showing you how to create a website for a particular class. I want to start off by saying that Weebly has two sides to it. This right here is just the normal side of Weebly that anyone could get to. It's Weebly.com. Here you could create free websites, you could buy domains, and you can do a lot of other things, but I'm not going to focus my time there. I'm going to focus on the education side, and so the website you're going to want to go to is education.weebly.com. While it doesn't look nearly as nice on this face right here, it is still a very nice product, and it is on more or less the same exact product once you actually get into it. The first thing you want to do is create a login, so start up right down here, create a login. I already have a login, so I am going to log in with that login. Once you make it to the main page right here, you'll have the different sites that are created for you. And so you could click right here and you could add a site, but we're not going to do that. We're going to click on My Students. We're going to create a class. This allows you to be in charge of a whole entire class and have very quick access and very quick ability to get to your students' websites. You're also going to create the accounts for those students. So you're going to give it the class name. Let's just call it Web Page Design. You can select a grade if you want to. It's not really necessary. We'll say 9th grade, and I'm going to make these public because I want the links to be available to everyone out there in the world. So I'm going to hit the button that says Create Class Now. Once I've done that, I'm going to begin to add the students. In the past, I've tried to use the add multiple students, and it was not fast for me, and it just really did not work for me. So I ended up going through student by student and adding them manually. Feel free to play with it, add multiple students whenever you use this, but it's something that I chose not to do. What I did was just, I had a copy of my rosters and I began typing out their first and last names very fast. I made a lot of mistakes and I kind of fat-fingered a lot of them, meaning I mistyped them, but it didn't really matter because it's just a login to get in. Past that, it doesn't matter for this. And so, for example, my name is Kevin Lauscher, so I type that in. It's going to auto-generate a username right there, and for every single password, I just type them all in as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I hit add. And I'm going to add another student, and I'm going to call it Kevin Lauscher O, and it'll auto-generate a username. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is the password. Again, you can get more creative with this. I am just going for ease of use, getting students into the product and getting students going as fast as possible. So I'm going to hit add right there. Populate your whole entire student class. Now that is available, note that you only get 40 accounts per a login. So on my login that I logged in as a teacher, I only get 40 accounts. You have the ability to create more. Rather, I have gotten creative myself, and I just create more teacher accounts, which gets me a lot more. Gets me 40 more accounts that I can use with my students. So feel free to spend money or feel free to get creative. The next thing, when you have that student list built out, you're going to press this button here that says Print Student List. It's going to come up with a printout. It's saying no students in class. I'm sure that could be rectified by hitting the refresh button. And once again, I'm going to go to print student class, and hopefully we do have students in that class, which we do right there. Excellent. That is how you create classes. You can also do class settings right here, and if you need to delete the class, you can delete all your logins first and then delete the class right there. In the next video, I am going to show you how to actually create your own web page and show you how different tips and tricks you can use with your students when creating the web page, which is for class.